Good morning friends. We will discuss about syllabus of pharmaceutics second. As per Education Regulation 1991. First, dispensing pharmacy. In that, first topic is prescription. Reading and understanding of prescription, Latin terms commonly used in modern methods of prescribing, adoption of metric system, calculation involved in dispensing. Second, incompatibilities in prescription, study of various type of incompatibilities, physical, chemical and therapeutic. Then third one is posology, dose and dosage form of drugs, factors influencing dose, calculations of dosage on the basis of age, sex and surface area, veterinary doses. Second, dispensing medications. First one is powders. Types of powders, advantages of powders, disadvantages of powders, granules, sachets and tablet triturates. Preparation of different types of powders encountered in prescription, weighing methods, possible errors in weighing, minimum weighable amount and weighing of a material below the minimum weighable amount, geometric dilution and proper usage and care of dispensing balance. Second one is liquid oral dosage forms. In liquid oral dosage form, first one is monophasic. Theoretical aspects including commonly used vehicles, essential adjuvants like stabilizer, colorants and flavors. With example, review of the following monophasic liquids with details of formulation and practical methods. Liquid for internal administration, liquid for external administration, or which liquid used on mucous membrane. Liquid for internal administration, in that mixtures and concentrates, syrups, elixir, and in case of external administration, gargles, mouthwashes, throat paint, douches. Then third, ear drops, nasal drops and sprays, liniments and lotions. Then second one is biphasic liquid dosage form. In that first one is suspension. Elementary study, suspension containing diffusible solids and liquids and their preparation, study of the adjuvants like used like thickening agent, wetting agent, their necessity and quantity to be incorporated. Suspensions of precipitate forming liquids like tinctures, their preparation and stability. Suspension produced by chemical reaction and introduction to flocculated non-flocculated suspension system. Emulsion. Type of emulsion, identification of emulsion system, formulation of emulsion, selection of emulsifying agents, instabilities in emulsions, preservation of emulsions. Then third one is first one suspension, second one emulsions and third one semi-solid dosage form. First one is ointments. Types of ointment, classification and selection of dermatological vehicles, preparation and stability of ointments by the following processes. First, trituration, fusion, chemical reaction, emulsification. B. Pasties. Differences between ointments and pasties. Basis of pasties. Preparation of pasties and their preservation. Jellies. An introduction to the different types of jellies and their preparation. Poultices. An elementary study of poultices. Suppositories and pastries. Their relative merits and demerits. Type of suppositories, suppositories bases, classification, properties, preparation and packing of suppositories, use of suppositories for drug absorption, then dental and cosmetic preparations. Dental and cosmetic preparations. Introduction to dentifrices, facial cosmetics, deodorants, antiperspirants, shampoos, hair dressing and hair removers. Fifth one, sterile dosage forms. Parenteral dosage form. Second one, sterile testing, particulate matter monitoring, faulty seal packaging. In case of parenteral dosage forms, definition, general requirements for parenteral dosage form, types of parenteral formulations, vehicles, adjuvants, processing personnel, facilities and quality control. Preparation of intravenous fluids and admixtures, total parenteral nutrition, dialysis fluids. Ophthalmic products. Study of essential characteristics of different ophthalmic preparation, formulation, additives, special precaution in handling and storage of ophthalmic products. This is all about our syllabus of pharmaceutics second.